Hey, I'm back with another tutorial because I figured I might as well do another. It's probably necessary. Okay, so this one is how to change the background color of a line block or just the color in general. First, go to design and then custom CSS. Okay. Now I already have the CSS in there for when I changed the thickness of it. So I'm just going to type before that. You want to type background color, background dash color, and then you want to put, I'm just going to type red in here so you can just see how it works. Now, it doesn't do anything yet because Squarespace's custom or their own style code is already in there. So you have to do important. Okay. So they'll grab the custom CSS. It'll override that, right? So, yeah, I just typed red because just to show you how it works. But if you want, you can type blue. And if you're just a little more advanced, you can use a color hex code. And for example, the red one is FF with 4 zeros. Let's say you just want like a light gray. Oh, that's not light. Let's do this one. That's light one. Okay, so that's how you change the color of the line block to anything you want. And then just hit save and you're all set. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.